Hi everyone and welcome to the Lash and Brow Directory. I'm Janine and today I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration to show you how to upload any qualifications or certificates that you have. Now you need to log in and go to your dashboard. And depending on what sort of membership you have with us, the dashboard will change, but I have a full membership, so I'm looking here for the account details section. Select this area, and this is also where you can update your personal details and change your password. But what we're looking for here is your certificate and badges section. It does need to be a PDF, and unfortunately at the moment we can only accept one file at a time. So if you upload one, then we can look at it, verify it, add your badge, and if you have more qualifications, you can go back in and do the same process, or otherwise just flick us an email at info@thelashandbrowdirectory.com with any further certificates or information that you have. Now what we'll do is we'll check them to see that they're valid, and we'll award you with a badge that will that shows what the qualification is or whether your insurance is valid. We don't want to add your personal details of certificates, etc. to the website, so we created a badge system to be able to award you instead. And then when potential customers or your existing customers come to the site, they can actually see your badges. And now I'll just show you an example of a listing that's already had badges uploaded to it. So this is what customers will see when they come to the website. So we've got a qualification section here, and we just have as many qualifications that you've got. So we've got all sorts of badges: eyelash expert, eyebrows, Russian volume, also your insurance, and these badges will be displayed along here. So as you can see, when someone comes to your listing, it's easy for them to see what you're qualified in. And why is this great? So it stops customers from having to ask you whether you're qualified or not. You're only about to let them know who they're dealing with. We're really trying to create a site here built on reputation, and we just want people to know that who they're dealing with, what they'll be qualified, and avoid any mistakes that are made out there by people that aren't qualified in the industry. If you have any questions, pop us a line at info@thelashandbrowdirectory.com.au, and get on now, start adding your qualifications. And as I said, sorry, just one at a time at the moment, but as soon as a badge is on there, you can upload another one, or else send us an email to info@thelashandbrowdirectory.com.au. Please add what company you're with so we know any qualifications that you email us with, where we need to go and verify that and add your badges. Have a great day.